Hello, I'm Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you. First of all, let me take just a moment to thank you for allowing me back into your homes. If this is your first time with us, let me extend a personal invitation for you to drag out your oil paints and paint along with us each week. Let's go over to the canvas here and let's get started. I believe, every day's a good day when you paint. I believe, it'll bring a lot of good thoughts to your heart. I believe, every day's a good day when you paint.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, keeping with the Fancy Mechanics theme, I have always wanted one of these quick jacks ever since I saw one, and I have friends with two-post lifts, and they present their own problems, benefits, and negatives, and I figured this would be the nicest for now because I can move it from this bay to that bay, put it up against the wall, store it, take it somewhere else, and I only really need the car to be a certain height anyway, so I'm going to figure out, I think they lift about 30 inches. I'm really interested to see how it all works out. So I bought it specifically to do the G project over here. So I got it a little bit earlier than anticipated. I'm going to cut it all open and we'll see what it's all about. Ton of trash, of course.
Sweet. Start on the damage. Correct. Good, 5,000 pounder? Oh, it's 7,000. Okay, longer. No, those are cars, so it's a little more expensive. How much are you guys going to afford, Jack? There's a folding 94 degrees.
Got wheels on the other side. There's the pump. Lines. Connectors. More lines. Rubber feet. Evo. Same user manual or what? 2 user manual? Look at all these feet. 4 blocks, 4 heights. Oh, it is disgusting outside. Okay. That's everything. We'll read through it quick and come right back. Alright, I got everything bled and filled and Teflon taped and tightened. Pretty impressive. It's fast. First lock. How do you make a lock on the second lock? Or is it out of fluid or something? Heard to top out. Alright, I would like to take a quick moment and say that I purchased this jack with my own money. It is not sent to me. It was not given to me by anybody. I don't have any obligations to say anything overly good or bad about it. So, looking forward to seeing how it works and what I think of it after a lot of use. And I already think it's way better than jack stands because I can pick up the car in like 25 seconds and set it back down. So if you're picking the car up and down a lot, it saves quite a bit of time. Obviously, it's not for everybody, but in my situation where I want to be able to move the jack and I don't have a lot of ceiling room, I'd have to remove like garage door openers and open my ceiling and do a lot of other things that I don't really want to do. With this, I can store it, move it, put it away, take it somewhere, move it to the other garage bay. I could use it outside if I wanted to. I'm not totally sure what I want to do as far as maybe building an addition or like a pole barn, because I feel like for a full-size lift, you should have more room around the left and right and all corners of the lift itself. And I want to be able to pick up a huge vehicle really high. So this, I think, was the best solution. I'm aware that they pretty much cost just as much as a decent cheaper lift. But let's put all that aside and just see how I like this thing, okay? Chill out. You didn't have to buy it.
Down flat. Incredible. So let's time this. Time till it tops out. From totally empty. Should we preload it? Nah, we'll just go start. On the locks, 28 seconds. That's great. Pleased with that.
Like I said, as time goes on and while I shoot my videos, and I would like to also do like a month review on this and just continue to give you updates on what I think of it, how I like it, if I think it was a mistake, or if I, want to throw it out in the trash. So keep your eyes peeled as I use it and review it.